welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 50 things to crochet when you're bored. I know, that's a lot of things. Let's get right on into it. So, I got my little notes here. Number 1, tops. Like bikini tops, bralettes, actual shirts, beanies, like hats. I've made a few. They're really fun to make and really fast to make. Number 3, blankets. And of course, as you know, I'm working on a temperature blanket right now. I'm a little behind. I have to do some crocheting today. You can do bags, grocery bags, farmer's market bags, like little tiny hand bags. You can do those. Next one, backpacks, of course. Number 6, coasters. Coasters are intermediate level because of all the increasing that you have to do. Tissue box covers. I actually have a video of me crocheting one, the process of how I was doing it. Number 8, headbands. I don't think I've made any of those yet, but there's like so many different versions of headbands that you can make. Number 9, socks. You just need to get the right pattern if you're a beginner for socks. Number 10, sweaters. I haven't made any sweaters yet. I've made a jacket, but not any sweaters. Number 11, skirts. Depending on how you make them, skirts are like the easiest thing you can make. 12, candle holder, also known as a candle cozy or something like that. 13, coffee mug cozy. For all my Starbucks lovers out there, you can make a cute little cozy like your Starbucks mugs, cups, whatever. 14, tapestry. Idea is probably going to take you the longest time depending on how big you make it, and if you have the patience and you're really bored, you can crochet some tapestry. 15, pillowcases. Get the right yarn, because if you get yarn that feels like plastic, you're not going to want this as a pillowcase. So get something like soft and fluffy, and you can make a pillowcase depending on how big or small your pillow is. 16, steering wheel cover. Anyway, steering wheel covers. I've been wanting to make one for so long, but I haven't had time to do it yet. But those are really easy. Just make like 5-6 granny squares, sew them together, and then just put it on your wheel. Boom, covered. And they're super cute too. 17, plushies. I've made a bunch of plushies with like really soft baby yarn. I tried to sell them, but no one was really buying them. So I made one big bee, and it was bigger than my head, and it took me like a day to make. 18, chapstick holders. Chapstick's about like that big, and you can just crochet a little thing to go around it. 19, reusable napkins. And I don't recommend using white. White always gets dirty so fast and easy. Number 20, pot holders. Now I'm sure we've all made pot holders before whenever we were kids on like the loom thing, but now you're older and they're really useful too. But really, I got my window open because it's a nice day, and so sorry if y'all are hearing buses everywhere. Pillows are similar to pillow covers, and then fill it with polyfill or another pillow that needs a case. But you sew the opening shut. 22, mushrooms. This is for my fairy core people out there. You can make mushrooms that are plushies, and they are so cute. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want, and they're just so aesthetically pleasing. Apparently I have skirts on here twice. Oops, number 23, skirts. Skip that. Number 24, dresses. I've seen people do crazy couture type dresses and actually wear them out in public, and they look really cool. 25, swimsuits. This is a little risky depending on what yarn you use, but if you do make swimsuits, make sure to put in a liner. 26, bookmarks. This is really easy to make, and anyone can make a bookmark. 27, a bouquet of flowers. With this one, you might need some wire to put in the flower stems. Bouquet of flowers is a really cute idea to make and give to your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever. because it's like you put a crap ton of time into this one thing and it's something you can keep forever. 28. Normal flowers. Similar to the bouquet flowers, but you just have one. Or you can make like a succulent or something in a pot, and then you can hang it from the ceiling. I've done that before. 29. Dangling decor. Basically, just get a stick from outside, tie some yarn onto it, and apparently it's a boho decoration. 30. Scrunchies. Scrunchies are super easy to make. All you need is yarn and a hair tie, and a crochet hook, of course. And you just crochet around the hair tie until it's big and fluffy. 31. Water bottle holder. This is something super simple, and there should be like a bunch of free patterns on Pinterest for this one. 32. Baby blankets. This is a great idea for baby showers, baby shower gifts, because it's handmade and a lot more thoughtful than buying one. 33. Handkerchief, or something you can tie in your head like in cottagecore. It just like ties around here like a bandana back. 34. Book holder. Not a bookmark, a book holder that holds your books, or like a book sleeve so they don't get damaged in your back. 35. Crochet supply holder. We got another duplicate. I was coming up with these ideas. I was bound to get at least 1 or 2 duplicates. Number 37. A mug cozy. Something for your mugs at home, and you can just keep in your cupboards or drawers, and they're also a really good gift. Number 38. An ottoman. This is a little more in the intermediate section, how much time it takes to make one and how big they are. Number 39. A face mask. Like this type of mask, or if you really want to go crazy, one of those robbery masks that goes all around your face. Number 40. iPhone sleeve. This is really simple, something you can make for your phone to protect it from stuff in your bag or your purse, so like nothing scratches the screens. And same as 40. Number 41. An iPad sleeve. If you don't think the case you have now is protective enough, then you can make an iPad sleeve. 42. A neck pillow. This is something that you can make for whenever you go traveling, but like everything else I'm saying, you can probably find a free pattern on Pinterest. 43. A grocery bag. But it's also the same as like a fresh market bag and really fast to make. 44. Wallet. This is something that you should probably make with thinner yarn so it can be thin whenever it's in your pocket. Number 45. A holder for your crochet hooks. Not like the other one where it's like a folding case. Like an actual little cup. A crochet like a little cup to just put all your crochet hooks in. 46. Seatbelt cover. I like in the cover kits at a store for like your car, covers for your wheel, your headrest, your all that, and you got the seatbelt cover. Make one. If you don't see one you like, you can make one that's even better. Number 47. A headrest cover that matches your seatbelt cover and your steering wheel cover. Goes right behind you and it can all match. Number 48. A car seat pad. This is something that you can make a cover for. Just get like a big piece of foam that you can sit on in the car, crochet a cover for it, and boom, you got a crocheted car cushion. Number 49. Cardigans. Similar to sweaters and jackets, but cardigans are longer and they go down to the floor, or at least some of them do. And number 50. You can crochet a rug. You can use any material you want. Kind of simple to make. It's like the intermediate bonus idea. This is for October. Crochet yourself a costume. I have seen so many grandmas crochet their kids' costumes for Halloween, and they're honestly really, really cool. And that was a lot of ideas. And I had a couple duplicates, but I gave you guys a bonus. So, question of the day. Comment down below what crochet idea you're going to be trying. And if you made it to the end, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call.